5 factors that determine marriage outcome after infidelity. 5. Willingness to communicate. Open and honest communication is vital when dealing with infidelity. Both partners must be willing to discuss their feelings, concerns, and reasons behind the infidelity. 4. Time and patience. Healing from infidelity takes time and patience. It is a gradual process that may involve ups and downs. 3. Individual and relationship strength. The resilience of the individuals and the relationship can also play a significant role. Some couples are better equipped to navigate the challenges of infidelity than others. 2. Professional help. Seeking guidance from a qualified therapist or counselor can be instrumental in the healing process. A trained professional can help facilitate communication, provide guidance, and offer tools to rebuild the relationship. 1. Remorse and accountability. The unfaithful partner must take responsibility for their actions and show genuine remorse. This may involve being transparent about the affair, expressing regret, and making efforts to rebuild trust. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking this video to help us get this content in front of those who need to benefit from it.